The Chiltern Valley Winery, Brewery, and B&B is a business passionately committed to providing their customers with products which are uniquely handcrafted to the highest standards, linked with a service which is friendly and informed. Based at Old Luxters on the slopes of the Chiltern Hills, surrounded by beech woodland overlooking the beautiful Hambledon Valley near Henley-on-Thames, Oxfordshire, the Chiltern Valley Wines is a truly independent brewery that produces and sells its produce through its vineyard, winery, Old Luxters Brewery, liqueur-making facilities, and cellar shop. While the company has been proud to revive the tradition of farm-brewed, full-mash, real ales using wooden Clash Mad Tun, copper, liquor, and fermentation vessels, it also combines these traditional methods with the very latest technology in sterility and temperature control. In recent times, the company has undergone similar transformation in how it produces labels for its wines, using vintage-style label stocks alongside cutting-edge printing technology from Primera. In the labeling facilities at Chiltern Valley's modern production, bottling, and labeling plant was using a thermal printer which seemed fine, up until a point. There were issues, though, not the least of which was that Chiltern Valley wanted to really raise the quality standards of its labeling. Donald Eland, production and general manager, explained that as well as being technically challenging, it was expensive to run the old machine and it did not print color easily, as you had to change the ribbon each time. They wanted to produce high-quality, stunning labels for their increasing range of fine, award-winning wines, ales, and liqueurs. An alternative printing system was needed to print more efficiently and effectively, and the company also needed to have a better feel for the general loading and use of the machine. They required software that was manageable and easy enough to understand for any level of expertise. The LX900E prints at the same speeds as the old device, but the quality is far higher. Eland says the whole printing process is now much easier and, just as importantly, accurate. The brewery did not look much further as the LX900E color label printer gave everything they needed to change label styles. The winery can now produce full color labels, with images or not, on demand, and within half an hour will have produced an average of 1,000 labels on the production line.
So here we are in the storage bay, stockroom. We've got all the different products at their ready stage. A couple of things here. This is the latest launch actually for us, and these are some of the labels we've printed with the LX900 on our miniature liqueurs. So fantastic, clean, bright, sharp little label, front and back for the Irish cream liqueur.
The vintage-style label stock also has greatly improved first impressions when people see a bottle of Chiltern Valley's produce, giving the bottles the rural-type feel that matches perfectly with its idyllic setting on the slopes of the Chiltern Hills. To sum up, they use the very latest winemaking techniques and equipment to combine a respect for tradition with minimum interference with the natural processes. Naturally, they wanted the very best method to make sure that this wasn't compromised with poor labeling, so the investment in the LX900E was, in their opinion, necessary. They now have visually stunning labels to complement their award-winning wines and the proof that its customers have commented on them since the change from their old method. To learn more about Primera's LX900E and our complete line of label printers and applicators, visit us at www.primeralabel.com.